14. soutěžící nejenom jeden solista, ale celá kapela Uniband.
I remember the first time your voice plays in my mind, and I never felt like this before. No. Every time that you kiss me, it's like I'm having a sweet dream, and I never felt like I do with anyone else. My pulse racing when I see your face, and this is what you're doing to me, my love. When you say you love me, I can feel my heart beating race behind the trees. And when you say you love me, I can feel my heart beating race behind the trees and race behind the chair. Keep rocking, keep knocking. What do you do? We find it up a repocket. You see the hate that they're serving on a platter. So what we gonna have? Dessert or disaster? I hate to do it close, but now I'm hot. But it feels so damn good. And if I could go back, make it happen faster, you know I would, maybe if I could. Face independent to the fullest. Don't let it too much. She had her bullet, she shot a bullet. Made it dead. I swear you me just not tonight, girl. Sometimes love comes around and then knocks you down. Just get back up and it's knocked you down. Knock you down. Sometimes love comes around. It's knocked you down. Just get back up when it's knocked you down. Knock you down. Tell me how can you make it rise and catch us so we can find a fire off internet. So you was all the cheerleader on my team to see. Don't think that I had a football team to know the glance now. I was skipping laugh, but we never meant to be baby. We just had been so mean. Don't mess up. Hey, young girl, I'm a new slick Rick. You say I move too quick, but we can let this moment pass. Let the hourglass pass right into the answer. Let the wind blow the ass right before my blast. So I root it up, let it right before my blast. I mean, you got that, someone's on the ad, it's more west. OG, you listen to that mix. Boys, me, maybe this is tragic. Cause we had it, we was magic. I was flying, not crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Time man, real man, Joe Jackson. You should leave a boy for now. I'ma ask you. Love walks around. It's knocked you down. Just get back up when it's knocked you down. Knocked you down. Sometimes love comes around. Yeah. It's knocked you down. Just get back up when it's knocked you down. Knocked you down.
Uniband, jak už sám název napovídá, tedy univerzální, pravděpodobně říkám to správně. Univerzální se vším, že vy kluci, co máte ještě v repertoáru pro mě toho?
No, trošku se.
Jako, já všechno prostě, to je prostě bakři. Co na to naše porota?
Tak, já se zeptám, to je vaše skladba, nebo to je převzatí?
Đây là bài của các anh hay là...
Tak tohle bylo, jak se říká, medley. A medley je skládaná ze 2 písniček. A my jsme vybrali, první písnička byla When You Say od Genba Bulldog.
A vy jste si to spojili? Vy jste si to jenom spojili takhle dohromady? Mně se to líbilo od začátku, přišla kytara, bylo to takový napůl folkový, pak se to trošičku zrokovatilo, pak najednou tam to bylo. Přišel rap, pak do toho beatbox, jako pak jsem z toho byl nadšený, mě to moc bavilo.
To je.
Děkujeme.
A myslím, že jsem si to užil. Jestli můžu říct, tak ještě zapracujte na té hudební kompozici, aby to nebylo jenom to piano. Zkuste si k sobě vzít třeba borce s deskama nebo něco, aby to chytilo ještě další efekt, ale tak je to dobrý.
Các em sẽ đưa thêm vào tiếp những các cái hình thức nhạc khác để cho nó giàu